Hello students, today we are going to start our new academic session. Here is the topic quadratic equation of your Maths 1 subject. Here in this video, we'll go through some introductory part of the chapter. Let's revise some topics. Now in your lower classes you have studied quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, linear equation and so on. Today we are going to study quadratic equation. Now from the word quadratic equation, you will come to know why the equation is called as quadratic, because the highest index of variable is 2, so it is the second degree equation in one variable. Now here in your lower classes you have studied quadratic equation, as you will get the two factors that the value of x will be x is equals to so and so. There two values of quadratic equation you will get. Now here in your 10th standard you are going to study standard form of quadratic equation. Now what is the standard form of quadratic equation? The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. Now here is your practice set 2.1 of your textbook. Now here your first question is write any two quadratic equations. Now quadratic equation is what? The quadratic equation, here the highest index of variable is 2. So now you will make the equation that will be easier for you from that term. You will make the equation as x square plus middle term will be there, that will be with your variable x, and constant term will be there, that will be the term without x. So now for example, you will make the equation as x square plus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0, and you can make the equation as 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 0, and you can make the equation as y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0, or you can make it as x square plus 2x plus 10 is equals to 0. So likewise you can make the equations. Now here your next question is decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Now here you have to decide whether the given equations are quadratic equations or no. So how come you have to decide? Now see here. Now see, the first question is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. Easily you will come to know that this is the quadratic equation. Why? Because here the maximum index of variable x is 2. Now here the next question is y square is equals to 5y minus 10. Even this question you can easily recognize that this is the quadratic equation. Why? Again the index of variable y is 2. Now the next third question is y square plus 1 by y is equals to 2. Now see here the point. Your first term is y square, your middle term is 1 by y, and the constant term is 2. Now the middle term is 1 by y with denominator. Now to the remaining part, you have to make the same denominator. So for making the same denominator, what you have to do? You have to multiply both the sides by y. So now by multiplying both the sides by y, now see what you will get. Now y square plus 1 by y will be multiplied by y, and again other side, that is 2, will be multiplied by y. Now y square if multiplied by y, you will get it as y cube, and 1 by y multiplied by y will get cancelled, 1 will remain, and that is equals to 2 will be multiplied by y, 2y will get. Now by seeing the equation itself, you will come to know that this is not the quadratic equation. Why? Because the maximum index is 3, not 2. So your equation y square plus 1 by y is equals to 2 is not the quadratic equation. Now see, the next equation is x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 2. Again what you have to do here, upon is your x, you have to multiply both the sides by x and you will get the equation. Now see, since your x is not the square term like your previous question, so x multiplied by x will be x square. So easily you will come to know that this is the quadratic equation, because the maximum index of variable x is 2. Now see, in your lower classes what you have studied? You have just studied factorization method. Now in factorization method, what was the simple? The quadratic equation used to be given to you and you have to find the factors of quadratic equation. You will get the values of x as 2 values. Why? Because the highest degree is 2. Since the highest degree of the equation is 2, you will get the values of x as 2. Two values you will get, x is equals to so and so, or x is equal to that is familiar to you. You are familiar and you know that factorization method. But in your new class, your 10th standard, you are going to study some new methods of the quadratic equation, how to solve the quadratic equation. Now here Your new method is completing square method, and another one is your formula method. So in short, I'll explain you what you will get in completing square method. So that terms you will come to know when I'll explain in your lectures. You will come to know what are the things there.